Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Simmons. I don't have on a mask because I'm in the room by myself, but I'm making a tutorial for you all about Google Drive. Okay, to access your Google Drive, if you have your own computer, you're going to go to the bottom and hit the little Chrome bar, the little Chrome ball on the bottom menu bar or on your screen. If you have a Chromebook, it will open up into Google. And so however you got to Google, once you're in Google, you'll walk your cursor to the right-hand corner of the screen and hit the waffle and you'll choose Drive. Drive is the little tricolored triangle. Once you open your Drive, you will be able to see all of your files. Your Drive is like a filing cabinet and it has all of your toys in it. So priority means these are all the things I've been working on today. And if it's not something I worked on today, I'll probably go and hit My Drive. Now, in My Drive, if I know what folder it's in, my folders are always first, and then come the categorized items. These are obviously slide decks and a few documents and then some more slide decks. Now, if I don't want it to be a line by line view, I'll go ahead and hit this little icon right over here and it changes it to a picture view. So I have still all of my folders are first in my Drive. Pardon me. And I have 5 columns of folders. When I scroll down, you can see that now we have pictures of the things I've been doing instead of just a one-line title of it. If I received a document from someone else, it might be in my shared drive. It will most likely be in my shared drive unless I made myself a copy and renamed it. So I click to my shared drive down here in my menu, in my sidebar menu, and let's say I don't know when I got it, but I know that it's from Mr. Almendatis. So if I know it's from Mr. Almendatis, and it's a document, maybe I'll just chase it by documents first. Oh my goodness, I have documents from everybody. Maybe I don't want to chase it that way. Let's put in Mr. Almendatis' name. There's Mr. Almendatis. And now all of these are specifically from Mr. Almendatis. Excellent. Now I can find it. Once again, if it would be easier for me to see the things Mr. Almendatis has sent me just by title, I can click it and change it from picture view to title. The next thing under shared with me is your recent file. Recent means today, and these are all the things I've been doing today. And then we hit yesterday. These are all the things that happened yesterday, and it keeps on going backward. After yesterday, it goes to earlier this week. So whether that's 5 days or 2 days, it's all in this one. And then you'll hit last week. After recent, you have starred. I only have one thing that is starred. The student probably did excellent work, and so I kept it to be able to show to my students this year, as well as maybe to celebrate that student last year by telling his or her parents, that sort of thing. So when I star something, it's really special. Your trash is next. I don't happen to have anything in my trash, and that's okay. Your trash gets emptied, whether you do it or not, about every 30 days. If I had a whole bunch of stuff in my trash, that might be why my computer was running more slowly, and I could just go ahead and hit empty trash, and it would empty it if I had something in there. Okay. Your storage will be much older things, and I'm not really going to worry about that because you're not going to have anything in storage that you need this year. Okay. Now, let's say I went into my Drive because I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do, but now I know I think I want to create a slides presentation for our project because let's say Kim and Jim are doing a partner project. Well, if they're doing a partner project, then the first thing that'll go up here is the title of it, Partner Project, ELA, and then Kim and Jim. All right. Oops. Now, Kim's got to share it with Jim. And so it'll be in Kim's Drive, but when she shares it with J. Smith at student.apisd.org, then Jim will also have it. There is no J. Smith student, so I should just get rid of that. But I was showing you how you would share it. At this point in the Drive, Kim's going to look for it either in her priority or in her Drive. Jim, on the other hand, would look for it in his shared with me Drive, and he's looking for the piece that was shared with him by Kim. Let's see, what else? You probably won't use the question mark because that's mostly IT stuff. And any issue you have, I would end up sending a work order. The settings, you're pretty much not going to use, but you might want to check out the glossary of keyboard shortcuts. And so there are some interesting things in there to see. Your waffle is here beside your APISD icon. And maybe if you have a personal icon, like Miss Simmons has her Live Your Best Life in a Bitmoji face as my icon. Okay. At this point, I think you've walked around Drive. If you have any questions, send me an email, ask me in class, let me know. Bye.